When the Spanish arrived on the shores of the Yucatan Peninsula in 1517, every large cosmopolitan center of the Maya world had been abandoned. Even so, a splintered Maya civilization living in small villages across the countryside put up a sustained fight against the conquistadors.
They proved difficult to conquer because rather than taking a king captive or an emperor, as they did with the Aztec, they had to conquer one village at a time. And once they'd moved on to the next village, there'd be one behind them that would then begin to rise and revolt.
Maya warriors killed conquistadors by the thousands, but their weapons proved useless against a more potent enemy: disease.
Within 100 years, 90% of the population of the New World was gone.
The Maya who survived faced further persecution. Friar Diego de Landa had been sent from Spain to convert the Maya to Christianity, and he ruthlessly enforced his religious teachings.
Diego de Landa was a young idealist who came to the New World trying to save souls, trying to win converts to what he referred to as the one true faith. But the Maya didn't believe that they should instantly and forevermore reject all of their own beliefs.
On July 12, 1562, Landa ordered an auto de fe, or burning of the Maya texts, believing they were the writing of the devil.
This was the end of thousands of years of accumulated knowledge of Maya civilization, one of the great tragedies in human history.
In a lucky twist of fate, 4 codices survived the inferno and wear and tear of time.
By the 19th century, some of these books that happened to escape the clutches of these friars and their destructive urges began to make their way into public attention.
Today, their survival story is just another mystery in the complex history of the Maya.